Alright, so here we have Sonax engine cleaner. So we'll start by spraying the whole engine compartment, like so. Gonna dwell on all the engine compartment. If it makes you feel better, get yourself your little brush and scrub it like so. Alright, you get the point. Stay tuned for more. Alright, so now that we rinsed down the engine after detailing it, we're going to spray our Shine by Sonax plastic protectant. So pretty much we'll just spray it like so. Go ahead and finish it off. No wiping needed. Just go ahead and close the hood and open it up for results in 20 minutes. You'll see what we're doing and you'll see how it came out.